Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss in the fibroid series, we are going to discuss about hysterectomy. So, what is hysterectomy? What are the investigations that are needed before doing a hysterectomy? What are the different procedures in hysterectomy? How efficient is hysterectomy in treating fibroids? And also, what are the benefits of hysterectomy and what are the risks of hysterectomy? And which is the best treatment option for fibroids? So, let's dive into the topic. What is hysterectomy? As you can here see in the picture, hysterectomy means surgically removing the uterus. So the blue part, whatever you are seeing, is the uterine part and they are removing that part. See, depends that if you want to remove the uterus, you can remove only the uterus. But if there is any other condition along with the fibroids, you can remove the fallopian tubes, you can remove the ovaries, you can remove the cervix. So removal of the fallopian tubes is called as salpingectomy. Removal of ovaries is called as oophorectomy, and complete removal of the cervix along with the uterus is called as total hysterectomy. It depends upon the case condition what sort of procedure needs to be done. So this is hysterectomy. Someone who is suffering from fibroids or adenomyosis or endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, polycystic ovaries or ovarian cysts or any female reproductive organ diseases, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two types of consultations. If you are someone who is staying very near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person and take doctor consultation. If you are someone who is staying very far away from us, you can take online consultation. In online consultation, we have audio consultation option as well as video consultation option here. And after the doctor consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will be asking you, and if you already have done the investigations, you can share it with us. After taking your case and after evaluating your investigations, especially for online clients, we will be delivering you our medicines to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Anywhere else across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, ping us a message. If you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, ovarian cyst or polycystic ovaries or any other female reproductive organ diseases like even infertility, why should you choose Fidelis Homeopathy? Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we strictly follow 3 principles. First one is our highest success rate. We are having good success rate in already treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Second is a transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third one is personal care. Personal care here at Fidelis is top notch because we will be answering you and educating you on all your queries. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure for your diseases, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.